Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the unboxing of the new Cocoa Daisy Big Sky collection. This is given to us, I believe always it's a month ahead of time. So that's why when you're on the design teams, that is part of the... Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the unboxing of the new Cocoa Daisy Big Sky collection that is available for the month of March. So it gets released now, and it's everything, like as far as the planners are concerned, is dated for March. This collection has a very like Western horse cowboy Nashville Texas vibe. Maybe I'm off on the Texas, but a couple cards in here definitely said Nashville and stuff because I think of the music and things. So if that is your vibe, this collection is definitely for you. For me, it's not my vibe, but I will find creative ways to use this collection. So let's get started. So as you can see, you always get the project or collection card, which does look beautiful. I mean, you got that gorgeous terrain, horses, big sky, really, really nice. And then the sticker that always comes with it, it says, "What would Dolly do?" I have a collection of those. I get sent a sample of the stamp set that is in the Traveler's Notebook subscription. So it doesn't have the black text overlay. So it says, what does this one say? I don't even know what that first word says, but the other one says Smarch. Oh, it's just like it just has the letters set like for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's just one stamp. Wild and free. The best part. There's like a cow head or a steer, a cowboy and a cactus, a cowboy boot, a horseshoe, a little bit of like a plate label, and a cacti right there. This washi's for that. So then this is a sticker roll. This is, I think, a new product for the kit, and it comes in one of the planner collections, but I was sent it to still play with. And it's washi stickers on the roll. And of course, when I took off my tape, one of them gets ripped. So they're actually individual little stickers on this washi roll. So you can see everything individually comes up, and they're thin like washi, which is really actually kind of cool. Okay. Then for the memory keeping sticker kit. Now this is the collection. These are the stickers that I usually use in a memory planning spread. So I will do so as well for this month. So this little one comes with ones that say "Courage is," "Ain't my first," "Home cooked," "They're real," "The award," "Gee thanks," "You're looking," "Reach for the," "Just staying," "Life is like," and "Original." So then you have the boxes that I do believe fit in the big vertical. You cannot buy happiness, but you can buy succulents, and that's pretty much the same thing. So yeah, so this is kind of the theme right here. So you got like the bulls, the cacti, cowboys, cowboy boots. I love the denim actually, and I love the illustration. So that's another kind of page of the stickers. You got your functional ones and ones for the date. Some labels and the washi strips on the bottom. Then here's a sheet of the icons, and then another alpha, and this one has the wood grain. Very cool. And then the back side of this one, these are the unclear, so a couple of quotes. I always love the mixed media little watercolor moments. I really definitely utilize that. So we'll be able to do something fun with these stickers for sure. Then the Modern Memory Keeping Kit. We get these little like brads in there. Yeah, brads and like it almost looks like a jump ring. So not sure what I'll use that for. So, but it's nice that something else is included. You have your die cuts. So remember, the die cuts are self-adhesive. So meaning I learned the hard way. Remember, all you do is take off the backing. So this one looks like a bunch of stamps together, and you take off your backing and they're already stickers, which I think is so convenient. Me and my silliness was still doing that, thinking that they didn't, and I was gluing them to my page. So you got some cacti, some title pieces, a couple of labels. The denim pieces are really cute, like the old like binder roll, like a rusted binded roll, a sheriff badge. So those are the die cuts. You have these wood veneer pieces, which I do think are rather cool. Yeah, those are really cool. Here is the stamp with this one. So it says, every morning I wake up at the end of the day, always survive one more day. The sun, a cacti, the ampersand, delicious food with friends, a little bit of like a canyon picture, another sunset, probably this way, a little flourish there. And then this one says, definitely not our first rodeo. It's really cute. And then you get the enamel dots in metallics. So I love this. So the gold, silver, and like a bronze copper color. Then for the cards, yes, these are all the cards. Okay, so I already kind of went through them a little bit just to kind of see. So we have the denim and the currently wide open spaces, the denim again. We got important dates. Stay close to people who feel like sunshine. Love that quote. You get your, every month you get the little month card. Today. And a pattern, another pattern. A wood grain kind of post. Pattern. A sentiment. Icons. Hello spring. Low key bad day. The cowboy boots. Be a cactus. Get plenty of sunshine. Conserve your resources and stay sharp. Love that. See, here's that Nashville one. Tennessee. Music. So heck, if you live in Nashville, this is perfect. Look before you leap. A journaling card. Sentiment. A journaling card. Quote. Journaling. So at least always, they have plenty of journaling cards, plenty of the ones that have quotes, and then some of the pattern ones as well. So you do get a nice mix. Always a nice mix. Adventure called. Yeehaw. Look at the little pocket, the little denim pocket. Journaling card. Peace, love, and desert dust. The Lone Star. And a pattern. Then the 4x6s. I really kind of like that one, the denim. Enjoy every moment like it's your last. Howdy. And here's your every month, the month card. And then the bunch. You have this envelope, which closes as so, one of those. So one envelope comes in the kit. The traditional love their rub-ons. Here's one. And this is like a whole scene. So cute. Puffy alphas in a like brown beigey color. These are interesting. These are tags, but they look like they're canvas tags. Yeah, they are. So it's on like textured canvas. And you get 2. That's good. I like the texture on that. A sticker sheet. So Daisy Planner stickers and some labels. And then here are the 6x8. So remember, you get 2 of each of them, and these are the patterns. So I just flipped over the first set. So that's how it is, the 2 of each. So you have one with repeating icons, the denim, the drawn horses, then kind of like a cow print, like an Aztec, like 2 kind of repeating patterns. One more yellowy, one more orangey. So we have that. Love, love, love. And then this one, I imagine, because that's always how it formulates. The pattern papers here are the 6x8 bigger. Yeah. So those are the 2. Ooh, very pretty. You see a whole scene. That's the back. That icon is here again. And that's a repeat from the 6x8. Cowboys on the terrain. And here, that print is that washi. This is this. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Little darker tone, but that's the print. Oh, and then a fabulous wood grain. And then these are the icons. This is like I would say this is like the mood board pattern paper. You know, you got your cows, the rope, cowgirl, cacti, horses, the spurs, the terrain, the hats, the boots. That's a pretty picture. And the windmills. So that's like the mood board with the good wood grain in the back. And then that illustrated horse, which is very good. I used to love drawing horses when I was younger too. And then that horse / cow print, which I do love. So that's the 12x12. Then in this one, we always get the tags. So this one has a nice quote on it with the cowgirl. Got the cacti, and you are confined only by the walls you build yourself. The die cuts repeat. So we have another die cut pack. So do the wood veneer. Did I get an extra die cut? Oh, what is this one? Oh no, this one is the one that was in the other one. This one, let's see what this one is. Oh, and another one. Or my, are there 3? Okay, so the tags, the canvas tags repeat. Here are the rub-ons and the enamel dots. Then the stickers that come with this one. Oh, and this is what I was so excited for. The stickers that are like on holographic paper. Do you see that? And then icon stickers here again. This whole Western theme. The same alphas. Ooh, there's a piece of vellum. And then more paper. Oh, and it's full. Oh, okay. So instead of getting the 6x8s, we get these. Is this repeated? Oh no, it's one open page. That is gorgeous. Okay, then the cowboy one, and then that one. And so three count. I left the other one. I'm confused now. So I think, I don't know. Let's open them up. Oh, and then these, oh, there was a lot of stickers. This one's on clear, and then these are more alphas and icons for dating your journals. Okay, so now that we're done with the unboxing, let's get to creating. So I knew once I saw this paper, you saw me squeal, it's so pretty. So I wanted to do a page in my memory planner. This one is the classic size from Happy Planner, and I made sure I got the middle aspect of that beautiful, almost photogenic pattern paper that was in the scrapbooking kit. I had already done a collage of my photos that had 8 on one 4x6. I do the collage on an app on my phone, and I print to my Epson PictureMate that I have home that's perfect for keeping up with this project. Now, when I had the pattern paper, I knew I was going to be clustering 4 photos on one side and 4 on the other just for that symmetry. And then I also knew that I was going to be using a lot of the die cuts because there was like ones that looked like rusty nails and bolts and like old binder clips. And I thought it would be cute to almost look like they were nailed to the scrapbook paper or like bolted to the scrapbook paper. So that was what I was going with. You saw me already use a quote like vellum sticker and a little watercolor sticker on the upper left hand corner. And I made sure to leave enough of that first row in the Happy Planner. This is a vertical layout so that I can do all my journaling, which is why I selected it the way I did. I thought about doing it like more to the top and then leaving the bottom row, but I kind of liked having the journaling aspect at the top. That way the sky went into the journaling kind of thing is how I was sort of envisioning it. So here I am applying all of those die cuts. Remember that they are having a adhesive already, so you just got to peel off the paper in the back. And when I'm doing this with my nails, it's definitely harder than without nails in doing it. I'm using a few of the sticker icons. Here I am using the washi tape strips from the sticker sheets as well. I really get a lot of use out of all the sticker sheets because, especially in my memory planner, I like to keep things on the flatter side because this, over the course of the year, will get quite chunky and I will have to change out the rings to the classic size, to the expander disc, probably, you know, July, August area. That's when it's already like, you know, busting at the seams and it needs to be on bigger discs. So I showed you pretty much everything that came with the kits I get from Coco Daisy. I am on their design team, so it's fun to work with all the collections each month and show you different ways to use your kits. Now, just because this one is a Western theme does not stop me from using the beautiful elements and papers to tell my everyday stories. You know, on this week I can see that there's a picture of Valentina playing, Valentina painting something. I was on a walk with my dog, and then we had a birthday party, and right now I'm using the alphas on one of the sheets to write new office coming, because we do have our second location. I'm a chiropractor, so the second office for our business is opening up soon, and we were like bringing the furniture and equipment over to the space. this week as well. And then for the repeating element 2, I took these washi tape stickers that were on this roll that I showed you that was new to the kit, and used a repeating, almost like decorative element on the bottom of each of the journaling aspects, just for a repeat kind of element throughout the page, again to kind of tie both sides together. Then also with both of the stamp sets, I take some Distress Oxide ink, I believe in Wild Honey, and I stamp one of every icon that's on both of the stamp sets available behind, well, on top of the date on each column. So I used the horseshoe ring, there's like a cowboy boot, there's like a cacti, a little like terrain view, and then there was, I want to say like a cow head and a horse head or something like that. They're just different icons, and I made sure to use all of them across the spread. That way I got to pretty much use a little bit of everything on this kit, on this spread. I used the stickers, I used the scrapbooking kit, I used the stamps, I used a little bit of everything, and it turned out fantastic. Okay, my sweets, that will wrap up this layout in my memory planner. So yes, it's using products that I necessarily wouldn't have selected myself because of the nature of the kit, Big Sky. It's very like what I call like a Western cowboy theme, but I made it work because I love this landscape. This just kind of looks like almost like a pin board where you would put your photos up with like little beads and little the little ones that look like nails and stuff. So I love that aspect. Was able to utilize the quotes and then did all the stamping of the icons. I thought tied it all together. I used Wild Honey, and very cute. And then I did punch this already, so this can go in here as well. I just haven't done the picture printout or the journaling, but it'll be nice as a little insert so that definitely I can have it in my notebook ready to use. Super cute. Different, but super cute, right? So I hope it gives you inspiration on what to do with your collection in your memory planner. All the other stickers would be great, so I might actually continue on just so that I can use up these goodies for the following week. But we are still in this week, so I don't have all of my pictures yet. But I hope this gives you inspiration. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so, and give this video a thumbs up. Till next time, everyone. Bye.
Them girl can't love you better. The boom boom that you know is wetter. None of them I go stand by you, but you know none of them I see. Yeah, them bring me, yeah, they pray. All of them want you, so they want to take your time, babe. She ain't had nobody like this, baby. This a big band. You better handle me with caution. Slow, slow touch, no rushing. You better handle me with caution. Slow, slow touch, no rushing. Touch, don't